Lo sé, ¿qué hace? Lo sé. Lo sé. No. Itong dalawa, kiyat. Lo sé, no. Ikaw kayong ikaw ba? Numulis siya. Okay guys, mega love shout out po sa inyong lahat. Yes, of course. Nana A, thank you so much. Karkiwa Family. At rin ng mga kambingan, shout out. Joy Europe Vlog, Juicy Europe Vlog, maraming salamat. And yes, of course. Ako, sorry, hindi ko lang alam yung mga lista. And yes, of course, one especially shout out. Sudi Taria 1615 from India. Passion, the beautiful lady in India. I love you. Shout out din kay Helen Marcos. Yes, of course. Kay Stephanie from Malay Bukidnon. Thank you so much. At kaya kalimutan ko na talaga itong so shout out po sa inyong lahat. Yes, kay Mami Mitch, Purple, John, Mami Eden, anak Jade, Chanel, anak Tis Bahe, shout out. Yes, of course, Rose Torres, Aurora Polisto Family, shout out. Apelem Hermano, shout out. Yes, of course, Semay Esperanza Foundation, INC. Ma'am Chili Tita, mega love, shout out. Sir Dong Batalan, shout out. Hermano Apelem, eres muy grande, corazón, mabuhay. FFI Worldwide, shout out po sa inyong lahat. Ma'am Chili Tita. Yes, of course, Samira Aguilar, Sari Aguilar, shout out. Anak ani Evangelio, shout out. Anak Jajakap, Noel Morain, shout out. So sa inyong lahat. Ito po si Golfis Steward. Ang papasalamat po sa inyong lahat. Once again, mega love shout out. Once again, Solitaria 1651 from India. The most beautiful YouTuber in the world. I'm so proud of you. My dear, I love you. Okay guys, update lang ko tayo. Thank you so much. Ay, Ginoo ko. Ang hirap ng buhay. Ay, Loche, ¿qué pasa, Loche? ¿Qué pasa, Loche? ¿Qué pasa, Loche? Loche ng amor. Kili ng amor. Kili ng Loche.